Fa la 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 la.
Llama.
Get your December recipe box. Fa la 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 la.
Llama.
4 essential oils plus extras. Fa la 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 la.
Llama.
6 recipes made by aromatherapists. Fa la 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 la. Make your soaps toxin-free. Fa la 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 la.
Llama.
Do you love making homemade Christmas gifts?
So much fun.
It is, and it just adds extra to your gifts. To make your own toxin-free Christmas gifts, the December recipe box is perfect for you. It's soap themed, so this month we'll be making our own soap plus some other really cool recipes.
And you get your own little mold too.
Yeah. So let's show them what's in the box.
So as a first-time subscriber, your recipe box is going to come in your big bonus box, just like this.
And let's go through what's in your recipe box first. So each recipe box comes with 6 recipes created by an aromatherapist, labels, plus fun extras to make your recipes come to life, like these dried orange slices,
Those go in your soap mold.
some goat milk soap base, and a soap mold, plus 4 full-size pure essential oils. In this month's box, there is our winter spice blend, cinnamon, cedarwood, and bergamot essential oils. It's a great combination, perfect for making some really good Christmas scents, and they just smell so good.
And as a first-time subscriber, and for every 6 boxes that you purchase, we throw in a big bonus box for you.
Woo!
So what comes in the bonus box? It comes with a fractionated coconut oil, an almond oil, a solid coconut oil, a beeswax, 6 of the 10 milliliter roll-on bottles, so you can make all those lovely roll-on recipes that are coming your way, and 6 of the 5 milliliter bottles to make all the master blends that are in your next 6 boxes.
These are gonna help you make all the recipes in your recipe box. So, Shyla, let's tell them our favorite recipes from this month's box.
All right, so mine is gonna be the Orange Grove soap. It's super cute and it just smells oh so nice.
My favorite is the winter skin protection balm because I love going outside, and in Wisconsin it is cold in the winter and my skin just gets so red, and this helps protect it and helps it heal too.
Perfect.
So to get your December recipe box, head to simplyearth.com/box.
Make sure you hit that subscribe now button so you can get a box each month and you get your free big bonus box.
Fa la 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 la.
Llama.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists with Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to make their homes toxin-free using essential oils.
So every recipe that's in this box is tested by us and loved by us.
So make sure you check it out today.
And hit the subscribe now. Bye.